Yeah, it's pretty nasty conditions here in central Illinois tonight. Up here where I'm at, over here by Pontiac, it's raining here, but it's snow and ice and everything. They've got blizzard warnings out till 6 a.m. over by Peoria over there. It's staying just warm enough where I'm at. We've got rain, but I'm just curious as to how this low pressure is going to interact with the Lincoln Nexrad here. If it's going to just hang up here for a little while and sit like it does some of the other places, or what's going to take place. But they're getting some snow back over there. The temperature line is kind of parallel to Interstate 55 running on the angle there up to Chicago. Bloomington Normal's got some ice just outside of town. Snow and everything on the backside over there. Rough night in central Illinois.